Hi everyone, I'm David, one of the beauty directors here at Sephora, and this video is very special to me because I love this. I'm going to be talking all about exfoliation, what it is and why you definitely need to be doing this. And since this is one of our Beauty Newbie series, I'm going to keep it really simple and easy to understand for everyone. So what is exfoliation? Well, your skin naturally does exfoliate itself because it's always looking to bring fresher, younger, stronger skin to the surface to protect you. Okay, so a great way to visually think about this is imagine when you're at the grocery store and you see an onion, right? And it's got that crinkled, shriveled layer of skin on the outside. That's very similar to the dead skin on the surface of our skin. And when you peel that off, you reveal that smooth, glowing, radiant looking onion skin. Well, exfoliation does the same thing for us. Now, there's something important to think about in this is that there's two types of exfoliation. There's chemical exfoliation, which means it's the ingredients that are exfoliating the skin. And then there's physical exfoliation, which means that it's a textural thing, like a scrub that's physically scrubbing off the dead skin cells. So we're gonna get into some products right now, and we're gonna show you just how to customize your exfoliation experience. Okay, so the first product I want to talk about is a great first step into exfoliation. This is from TATCHA. This is the Deep Cleanse Gentle Exfoliating Cleanser. So it's a 2-in-1 basically. It's a great cleanser. It's basically like a lightweight gel cleanser, as you can see. Just like any basic gel cleanser you might have. And this is going to remove all that dirt and debris on the skin and really refresh it. But it's also got some natural fruit extracts in here, which are a fantastic chemical exfoliation because it's going to gently remove that top layer of skin cells off so you reveal not just clean skin, but brighter, glowing, radiant, younger looking skin below that top layer of dead skin cells. So a perfect 2-in-1 for anyone looking to try out exfoliation. Okay, so the next product I want to talk about is very dear to my heart because it is probably one of the first exfoliating products I ever used about 20 years ago. Yes, I'm aging myself, but this is due to this, trust me. This is from DERMALOGICA. This is the Daily Microfoliant Exfoliator, and this is a wonderful, gentle chemical exfoliator. It's a very unique formula. It's actually a powder, which is pretty cool. So it is, as you can see, let's show you, a powder. And what you do is you apply water to this, mix it around, it's gonna foam up. If you feel any grittiness in there, that means you're not using enough water. Add more water until it's a really gentle, soft foam. Massage over the skin. And what's in here is actually enzymes, which are gonna eat all those top layers of dead skin cells. Some BHA, which is gonna clean out the pores. We'll get a little bit more into BHAs in a minute. And some colloidal oatmeal, which is gonna make sure that the skin remains soothed and calm. So overall, it's a fantastic daily exfoliator that's gonna reveal fresh, brighter, even skin tone, glowing skin daily. Why wouldn't you want that? It's a cult product. It literally has not changed in like 20 years, and for good reason. Definitely check this one out. Okay, so the next product I want to talk about, also a cult classic. It's been around for a very long time. This is from Paula's Choice. This is the Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. Now, this is a wonderful liquid chemical exfoliant, primarily BHAs or beta hydroxy acids, which are fantastic acids that look for oil. So basically they go into the pore and they exfoliate and scoop out all those dead skin cells in your pores and in your skin that can lead to congestion and breakouts. So this is wonderful for anyone who is blemish prone and really wants to maintain healthy skin. It's a lightweight liquid, so it's very easy to use, and it's a leave-on. So I would say saturate a cotton round. After you've cleansed your skin, you would sweep this all over or in the areas that you feel needed. kind of in the area where you would put a toner in that zone of your skincare routine. Let it dry, move on with the rest of your skincare, and you're good to go. So the final product I want to talk about, this is a great universal exfoliator. It's a full spectrum because it's got both chemical and physical exfoliation. This is from WISHFUL. This is the Yo Glow AHA BHA Facial Enzyme Scrub. Basically tells you everything that's in there. It's got alpha hydroxy acids, beta hydroxy acids. They're both gonna work on exfoliating those top layers as well as getting into the pore. It's got enzymes, which are gonna eat all that top dead layer of skin cells. And it's got a scrub. So the scrub is where the physical aspect of the exfoliation comes in because of the fact that there is a gentle physical texture to this. It will gently physically exfoliate as well as working in combination with the chemical exfoliators. I particularly love products like this for me right before I shave. They're excellent, but overall just a wonderful full spectrum universal exfoliator that everyone can benefit from. So there you have it, a basic and general look at exfoliation and why it's so important for all of us to include this into our skincare. And as you can see, you can customize it to exactly what your skin needs. Let me know in the comment section below any exfoliators that you particularly love and why you love them, because I'm very interested. And remember to like and subscribe to the channel so you can get new videos like this from us every single week. And until next time, take a couple of moments today, exfoliate your skin, and show the world just how glowy and beautiful you are. I'll see you all soon. Take care, everyone. Bye.